little faster than that, and that'll be perfect. Just right in there, just like that.
That fast?
Yeah. Fix your swim bait too. It's coming off your hook. Must have been hung on something. Sick. Awesome. What a way to start the video. Oh, I want to see one blow up on this so bad. All right, guys. Today, I'm with Clay, and I'm going to be throwing the popper on a 5.6 Bill Dance medium light. Clay's got on a swim bait. It's one of the minnow heads. Speed Shad by Cabela's. He's got it in a pro color. Do you know what? It's a Shakespeare. Do you know if it's an ultralight or what? It looks like an ultralight. Well, we were just here on the clinch this morning. Clay is already hung again. And we're gonna see if we can max some toads today. I'm waiting for that toad smallie just come up and smack this thing. I've actually never caught a fish on a popper, so hopefully we can, yeah, I know, right? Hopefully we can mark that off the checklist today. We've got 2 objectives on the checklist today. Clay has to catch a fish on an artificial, period. And I'm gonna catch one on the popper. That is my objective for today. Usually I wouldn't use a popper, but I don't know, I just felt, I had a feeling today. The conditions are really good. As you can see, there's a lot of mist coming up off the river. Plus I just love watching smallmouth come up and take it on the surface. It's so cool. That's the danger zone. That's where I got bit last time I was here. Well, no bites on the popper, so I'm going to switch over to my chatterbait. This should be the perfect place for smallmouth, dude. So the plan for today is just to walk up this river. We're gonna wade in some places. We're actually gonna stay here for probably, I'd say, another 10, 15 minutes. I'd say it's probably in the low 60s right now. We came in the morning, it's actually, oh, I'd say getting close to 7 at this point. Is that a fish or was that you? Was that you casting right there? Okay. I thought that was a fish coming up to the water. Well, like I said, we're gonna sit here for just a little bit and then we're gonna move on up. We'll be rocking 3 different setups today. I've got a swim bait perch color. It's actually what Clay's using right now. I'll be throwing that on my Mach 2 speed stick, loose. And then on the others, I've got my popper and a chatterbait. Ooh, that was almost bad. God damn it. I'm gonna lose it right here. I guarantee it's on a rock. Oh, it might have just come off. Hey. Wow, we are having some serious luck right now. Kind of surprised there's not a fish right there, actually. I'm gonna give it 5 more and then move down. We'll get you one. Going on YouTube, just so you know that. I hope that got that. Oh, I hope I got that. Oh, bro. Fishing 101 with Clay. There we go. All right, I'm gonna give it like 2 more and then we're gonna move on. Yep, there it is. I knew it was gonna happen. I could feel it. It's gonna be like that the rest of the day. Oh, rest in peace, codename Trout Magnet. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna move on down. Well, guys, the first fish of the day goes to me. A nice little red eye. He's not huge, but hey, a fish is a fish. You're not gonna like this, buddy. I know you're not. Red eye, rock bass, whichever one you want to call them. They don't get huge. Somebody told me, Noah Moore's dad said he caught a red eye this big. I believe it too. He would not lie. That's all he fishes for is these. They get pretty fat. This one's only about the size of my palm, but still, what a pretty fish. And that is the first fish of the day. All right, let's get a release video of him. Wasn't recording, but thanks, buddy. You were fun. See you later. Sick. Let's get another one. I was casting along that bank. I was actually making a joke to Clay saying if I didn't get it on that bank specifically, I would kill myself. But no worries, I got it on that bank and caught that red eye. I caught it on a little swim bait. That's actually my 2nd fish ever on a bait caster, I think. Pretty sure. And I didn't even have it recorded. That was insane. Awesome. But I'm not gonna be recording the whole day because I just don't have enough battery life. Unfortunately, my battery pack has pooped the bed. So here we are. I've got a portable battery on me and I'm just charging it as we go. So I'm charging it while I'm just sitting here fishing. If I catch a fish, yeah, you guys will see it, of course. But that was really cool. I wish I actually would have gotten that hook set on video, especially with it being the first fish of the day. Jesus Christ, these fish are hitting the top water like insanely. There's another one. This is just insane. I'm actually gonna cast where this fish came up and ate. Clay, unfortunately, has lost 2 jig heads, but as lucky as he is, I mean, he went probably 20 minutes getting it hung and kept getting it back, and then he lost 2 in a row. That's the only downside. So he switched over to a spook and he actually just missed a bite. I've actually never seen a fish or gotten a fish on a spook except for a jack crevalle, but that doesn't count. We're not river fishing, and I've already caught a fish and Clay's already gotten a bite, so I'm actually really optimistic about today. All right, guys, looks like we're heading on to the bridge. You can cast wherever my line is. You're on the top water. I'll just go underneath you. Didn't happen. Didn't happen, dude. God damn it, I just did it again. I'm not trying to do it. You can literally, it's so shallow, you can walk on the other side of that. Well, guys, I haven't gotten any bites, no chases, literally nothing. So I think I'm gonna walk up here with Clay. We're gonna give it about 10, 15 more minutes. Then we're actually gonna head on to the next spot. What we're gonna do is work our way Well, if I could talk to be sick. But we're gonna work our way down the entire river, probably 2 or 3 miles. So it should make for a pretty good video. Plus Clay has to catch one on an artificial today. That is the goal. All right guys, so we were at the next spot. I've actually never fished this spot before specifically, so Clay's hung again with a spook, which happens to be a topwater in case you guys are wondering. Well, yes, that's exactly where I wanted it, right next to that tree. Well, like I said, I've never actually fished this spot before, but it looks really, really fishy. So I'm hoping it'll pull me a little stolly out, just a little one. I'll take a big one. I'll take a toad if it allows, but my guess is he'll be right there next to that tree. I think I just got hit, actually. Didn't hit very hard, so I didn't think it was a fish. This area looks really fishy. I would 100% expect a little smallie to be here. As always, smallmouth love clear water with rocky bottom. And that's what this whole place is usually. There's a little bit of silt every now and then. I'd say there's probably some behind that tree, actually. These pockets right here should be the best spots. Even a little red eye, honestly. I'm surprised I haven't got one of those right here. The water's so clear too, I'll actually be able to see my fish hit it. It's gonna be insane. Usually we don't have this luxury here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Look at this. He said, let me find out. Well, we got our second little rock bass of the day. Clay's so impressed. It's just a little red eye though. But it's sick, a nice little pretty red eye. I mean, there are a ton of red eye in these waters. Pretty fish though, second of the day. Can't complain when you're catching fish. So let's go ahead and get a release video of this guy. Alrighty, big guy. We'll see you later, buddy. Well guys, we are at the next spot. And as you can see, I have a literal BBC for a lure right now. This thing is my new toy. It is a god Whopper Plopper. It's by Berkley, isn't it? By Berkley, it's huge. The only thing I'm catching with this is a toad smallie. The only thing. And I think I can do it. I want to get it over there next to those trees. I'm just going to work my way out here, actually. Oh my god, look how much water that's kicking up. Toad Magnet 3000, let's go. Unfortunately, I lost codename Trap Magnet, but this is probably the best replacement I could have. Oh my god, that thing is so loud. I just want to see the blow up on this thing. It's going to be amazing. I'm throwing it on my lures because it's a medium heavy and any fish I catch on this is going to be a toad. And I want to make sure I can bring it in. It had that leaf on it the whole time and kept going. What a trooper. Can't tell me there's not a toad smallie over there that wants to nail this. I picked up another leaf. This one actually messed the action up. This is where I'd expect a toad smallie to be sitting, is right up here next to this bank. A lot of shade, kind of slow moving water. It's shallow, but it's still moving. This is the place, boys. This thing sounds like a little mini helicopter going through the water. There's actually a ton of weed beds right here to my left. I didn't even know we're here. I've never waded too far up past this point. Hey dude, I think I'm just gonna wade a little bit up. I'm just gonna work the bank. That's where I think they're gonna be. Yeah, where the shade is. It's gonna be nice. There's a ton of little bait fish right here in front of me. They're hiding in all of these weed beds right here. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're literally right in front of me. It spans all the way across over there to the other side of the bank. Actually, I'm kind of nervous there might be a big snapping turtle in this now that I think about it. Don't want to be losing any ankles today. Oh, that's what you want to hear. If it's not making that noise, you're not doing it right, boys. Got brought under by a leaf. Still can't escape those, even with the big one. Damn it. Well, I'm definitely gonna have to walk over and get that. Sick. I just put that right in a tree root. I'll walk really quietly so I don't disturb the fish though. Well, it wouldn't be fishing with TrollsAlmighty without me getting hung in something, would it? Oh yeah, this is the place where I expect toad smallies to be sitting. Right here in the shade. It's really shallow. Too bad I'm hung in a log. Sick nasty. So we've almost worked this entire river back to the point where we're actually gonna stop fishing. But I saw this huge, I mean, it's huge, boys. This huge Whopper Plopper. So we might actually go to Oxbow and see if we can catch a toad largie. I'm kind of halfway expecting it at this point. Right now I'm just casting over there next to those weed beds. Seeing if anything will come out of there and hit it. Clay got himself a little Whopper Plopper. We are just Whopper Ploppering it up right now. I could sling this thing too. It has so much weight to it. I'm still kind of halfway expecting someone, just something to come up and nail this. No way. I just got nailed, dude. I am. Oh my God, this is a big smallie. Oh my God, we're gonna have to get my scale, dude. Dude, this smallie is huge. Oh my God. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, now my day is just made. What a beautiful fish. I'm gonna keep him in the water so he doesn't die, okay? Oh my God. What a pretty fish. Take a look at that chunk, dude. He is a chunk. I don't wanna rip him too bad, but look at him. Be careful, he's gonna thrash. I'm gonna take him over here so I can weigh him.
Dude, that's a big smallmouth.
Yeah, dude, I know. That's a solid fish. That's a little chunk. Toad magnet does it again.
Damn, you fucking ripped that boy.
Dude, he came up and nailed that thing. I wasn't even looking at my lure. Boys, let's go. Let's fucking go. Getting him out of this is gonna be fun though, let me tell you. He's got that deep in his mouth right now. I cannot believe that. What a pretty fish, man. I'm just gonna let him run for a little bit. He's hooked good, so he's not coming off. Look at this smallie, dude. What a pretty fish. Oh, I'm dying, man. That's so gorgeous. This is why I love smallmouth. They fight so much. They're a pretty fish. They don't look derpy. They're just a beautiful animal. I'm walking him like a dog right now. All right, big guy. You're not gonna like this. And I'm pulling you up here. Wow, that's a serious fish. That is a serious little smallie. Dear God.
How much is it?
That is a 112, boys. Now that is a toad smallie. Look at how chunky he is. All right, we're gonna get a picture with him and then we're putting him back in so he doesn't die. Dude, I cannot get over this fish. What a toad.
Yep.
Let me see it. Oh, boys. All right, buddy. We're gonna get a nice release video of this guy. Let's get one last look at him before he goes. Man, what a pretty fish. Jesus, I love smallmouth. All right, big guy. There he goes. He's getting some life back to him now. Wow, look at the coloration. Look at the coloration. His patterns are insane. Oh, there he goes. Dude, look at him.
That's a pretty fish.
Oh, I'm dying. That was so sick.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Look how I didn't help you, I just watched you. All right, guys, we are at the next spot. I'm feeling pretty good coming off a toad smallie, so hopefully we can get another one. That's the perfect place. That's where they'll be sitting, right where that water eddies out. Sometimes they'll look at it for about 2 or 3 casts, and then about the 5th, 4th cast, they'll come up and nail it. Oh. Yeah, set it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I did. you waited just a little too long. So, well, see, the thing is, he took it, he probably had it for about 3 seconds. That's what I say, after about 3 seconds, they're gonna spit it back out. Clay just missed a bite on the Whopper, dude. On the Whopper freaking Plopper. That's what I was saying, dude. Sometimes they'll just look at it for about 3 or 4 casts, and then they'll come up and nail it out of nowhere. That's where I'd expect them to be, is on that rock wall. He probably chased it from that rock wall. Let's go. Yes, sir. That's a good one too. That is another good one. Wow. He came up and wanted that, boys. Sick nasty. Okay, you're gonna have to stop doing that, buddy. Oh, goddamn, I wish I had those pliers now. Oh, dude, it is. No, it's not bad. He just needs to open his mouth. Another nice smallie. I mean, today is just, I cannot believe this. What a pretty fish. The bite's still on apparently though. This is probably the fish that hit it, honestly. Wow. What a pretty smallie. This is why I love these smallmouths so much. They're just a beautiful fish. All right, let's put you back in. Oh, he's ready. And there he goes. Wow, what a day. How about this for $10, didn't I? I think I just missed a bite. I was looking at you and I think I missed a bite. Either that or I picked up a leaf. 2 nice smallies already. I haven't caught any smallies all day. Only red eye. Then I buy this giant Whopper Plopper, and that's what kills it for me. What the hell? Are you kidding me? Clay! Oh, he's gonna die when he sees this. Clay! Easy mode, dude. Smallie number 3 of the day, and look how big, look how tiny he is compared to this thing. Look at this size comparison. It's literally half his size. And he came up and snailed that thing. Snailed it. What a pretty fish. You gotta love these smallmouth, man. They are just a fun fish to catch. All right, let's get another release video and put this guy back in. And there he goes. Wow. What is today, dude?